How to change your address using USPS online. To start, go to usps.com and then in here, scroll down until you see the Change Your Address button. Click Change Your Address button and then here, you will be shown with the different details and information on how to change your address. So in here, you will see that there are different options for who is moving and then you will be asked with your contact information. Fill up such information and then you will see also here that you should enter your old address and new address. Then click Next. And then that's it. That's how to change your address using USPS online.